We are going to study about the kingdom fungi. Before that, we saw the kingdom Monera and Protista. Kingdom fungi is the connecting link between the Protista and kingdom Plantae. We will see the about their general characteristic first, then their classes and so on. Here some diagrams of this kingdom fungi is given, then which is mainly classified into the four classes, that is phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteromycetes. Examples are given here. You can take a snapshot. Then initially we will discuss about the general characteristic of kingdom fungi. These members are achlorophyllous. They don't contain the chlorophyll because they are not going to do the photosynthesis. Being their mode of nutrition is saprophytic, absorptive. They are heterotrophic, gametophytic. Their body is gametophytic, haploid, multicellular, eukaryotic. Except some fungus are unicellular also. For example, yeast. Then symbiote, mycorrhiza. Symbiosis, they will show the symbiosis. They will associate with the lichen, as well as they can associate with the roots of some plant, that is mycorrhiza. Myco means fungus and rhiza it means a root. Coprophilous fungi. Coprophilous means the fungi which feed on the dung material like cow dung. Then heterotrophs, parasitic. We know what is meant by heterotroph and parasite. Parasitic means which can harm to other and get benefited itself. Saprophytic means fungi depend upon dead and decaying parts of plant. Then it is called as saprophytic. And when fungi depend upon the dead and decaying part of animal, they are called as saprozoic. They are nucleated, spore producing thallophytes. Thallophyte means false body, means the body of plant which is not differentiated into the true root, stem, leaf. They don't have true root, stem and leaf, hence they are called as thalloid. Thalloid means false body or pseudo body. And their cell wall contain the chitinous material, fungal cellulose. The fungi given the status of kingdom by R.H. Whittaker. Study of fungus is called mycology. Myco means fungus and phyco it means algae, and logy means study, are also called as mycetology because the body of fungus is called mycelium. Then remember this name, Peter Anthony Michel is a father of mycology and wrote the book Nova Genera Plantarum, and E.J. Butler regarded as the father of Indian mycology. And phytopathology. Phyto means plant, patho means disease, and logy means study or knowledge. So you understood what does it mean. Phytopathology means study of disease related to a plant, and that is because of fungus. Fungi may be a corticolous, means they will feed or they will live on the part of trees. Coprophilous, I told you, it means a dung. Epizylic, epi means upper part. Xylem means conducting tissue. Xylophilus means on burnt wood. Or keratinophilus. We know what is in by keratin. Keratin is the protein present in the nail, hairs, hoof, horn. So on that protein, this fungi also present. Such a fungi is called as keratophilus. Then they are non-vascular, non-seeded, non-flowering, achlorophyllous, multicellular. These are important decomposer and mineralizer. Remember this word. And the same two words are applied for kingdom Monera also. The members of kingdom Monera, they are also decomposer as well as mineralizer because they will decompose the organic matter or biomass or dead parts of plant and animal so that the mineral can be get soluble in the soil and again recycled. Plant body is thallus. I told you what is the meaning of thallus. Non-mycelial or mycelial. Non-mycelial means unicellular. They may form the pseudomycelium. Pseudomycelium means false mycelium, not perfect mycelium by budding. Example is yeast. And mycelium means when the plant body of fungus is made up of simple thread-like structure. Like see, here is the cotton. There are the simple threads are present in the cotton. So like that the body of fungus is there. Then hyphae means swollen part. Like a big balloon have some cucurbita like structure, cucumber like structure. When it is folded at certain portion, imagine how does it look like. So the same kind of body of this fungus is looks like. So they have the hyphae, means swollen tube like chitin, and hypha septate. Septa means partition. Remember, here the four classes are given, that is, I told you, Phyco, Asco, Basidion, Deuteromites. So the higher fungi have septate hyphae. Septate means partition is there. Suppose this is hyphae and here is the partition. So this is called as septate. And this is one more hyphae which don't have partition. So no partition means aseptate. And aseptate fungi are lower fungi. Then septate hyphae may be uninucleate, means monokaryotic phase. Uni means single, mono means single, karyote means nucleus, or dikaryotic means two nucleus but the cell is one, or multinucleate. Some fungi are aseptate. Aseptate and multinucleate condition is called cynocytic. Remember this word. Cynocytic means aseptate multinucleate. Then genetic material is DNA. Mitosis is intracellular, that is karyochoresis, and store the food in the form of glycogen, that is their reserve food material. And primitive fungi have oogamous type of sexual reproduction. We have the which kind of reproduction, means how fungi is going to reproduce. We will see in the next slide. Here is the classification of this fungus is given. Remember this fungus, kingdom fungi, is divided into the mainly initially these three classes, that is Gymnomycota, Oomycota and Eumycota. Gymno means naked and Mycota means mycelium, body of fungus, and in which slime mold is included, which is wall-less. And remember, slime molds are fungal animal. These are animal fungus. These are animal fungus. Remember this word. These are animal fungus. And rest of all except this slime mold, these members, maximum these all members are plant. Why slime mold is animal? Because it don't have the cell wall, it has plasma membrane, and we saw slime mold is placed under the protozoa, slime molds over there. Then Oomycota. Oomycota is the mycelium aseptate and lower fungi. We already discussed lower fungi have the aseptic condition, aseptate condition. Aseptate means without partition, and multinucleated condition, or we can say cynocytic, which is in which phycomycete is included, which is further subdivided into the oomycete. Double O means egg, or zygomycete. Zygo means pair and mycete means mycelium, fungus. Oomycete is aquatic or algal. Zygo means conjugation, pair. Then Eumycota. Eu means true and mycota means fungus. Eumycota, the mycelium there is septate mycelium, and these are the higher fungi, true fungi, which in these three classes, that is Ascomycetes, Basidiomycete, and Asco means asci means back, and mycete means Basidio means club shaped fungi, and Deutero means imperfect fungi. Here is also classification is given. Remember these all four members, Phyco, Asco, Basidio and Deuteromycetes. And if we see about the sexual reproduction, which is present in sexual reproduction present, mycelium is septate, mycelium is aseptate in case of Phycomycete, being they are the lower fungi, and in septate fungi, Ascomycetes and Basidiomycete is there. Then remember this structure also, the structure of fungi is what is meant by fruiting body. This is the fruiting body where hyphae is there, and below the hyphae portion, this all portion is mycelium, which is a thread like. The bodies of multicellular fungi composed of many hyphae, means swollen portion, tangled together into a thick mass called as mycelium. Here is also information is given, what is hyphae, what is fruiting body. Remember this word fruiting body, because based on fruiting body they are also fungi. These are some diagrams of fungi, Agaricus, Aspergillus, Alternaria. I put it a lot of diagrams so that you can understand which kind of fungus is which one. This is I told septate and aseptate. See here, septate condition is there, partition is there. This is partition. Like our nose has this partition called as septa, nasal septum, which divide the two nostrils. And here there is no partition. Hence it is aseptate fungi. Example, this is the figure of mucor. I will show you the colorful diagram of mucor. Then if we see about the reproduction in fungi, it is of three types, that is vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative propagation takes place by these five methods. Fragmentation, we know what is by fragmentation. The fungi which is having septate body. So these are the fragments, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the fragments. Like our finger has fragment 1, 2, 3. So suppose this part is broken in case of fungi, and from this broken part is fragment or segment. It will generate the new plant body of fungus, and such a mode of nutrition is called as such a mode of reproduction, called as fragmentation. Then fission means, I have the diagrams, I will show you the diagrams. Fission means breaking. Then budding is either exogenous or endogenous, but here the budding is exogenous. Means suppose this is yeast, from the outer part of yeast, and bud is produced, and this is yeast. From its outer part, when bud is produced, it will detach from the parent body and will give rise to the new mycelium, new hyphae. So this is called as budding in case of yeast. Then oidium formation is there, chlamydospore is there. Chlamydospore is formed in the unfavorable condition, and oidium formation is also takes place. Here is the figure given. See, this is budding, this is mother cell. Buds are formed exogenous and they will give rise to new plant. This is oida formation. This is hyphae, swollen portion, and from the upper part this oida is going to produce. And intercalary means in between two part. Calary means disc like part, and inter means in between two. So this oida formation. Chlamydospore formation. Chlamydospore is formed in the unfavorable condition, and at favorable condition these are going to germinate and give rise to new plant. Then fission. See here, fission. This is parent cell which is going to divide and produce the daughter cell. This is parent cell and this is daughter cell. And this is fragmentation. See here, body is septate. So when fragment is going to broken, any fragment is going to broken, it will produce or give rise to new mycelium. Then remember the asexual reproduction also. What is asexual reproduction? We know asexual reproduction do not involve the gametes. One single parent is there. So asexual reproduction takes place by zoospore formation, sporangiospore, or by conidiospore or conidia. Zoospore means, as the name suggests, zoo means animal and spore means spore. So these are thin-walled, uninucleate, motile structure, being they are the flagella, uniflagellate or biflagellate. Sporangiospore, these are non-flagellate. Remember, these are non-motile. And spores develop inside the sporangia. Sporangia is a spore containing bag. Example, mucorn, rhizopus. And when the spores are formed in the sporangiospore, they are released by air current or sometimes by water current also. Conidia, remember this one is important. These are also non-motile. Only motile is zoospore. Zoo means animal. Animal is moving. Exogenous spore produced on the conidiophore and arranged in a chain like conidiophore. Example, Aspergillus pythonium. Here the sexual reproduction is given. Remember this, zoospore, these are flagellated. Then here if we see sporangium is there, sporangiospore is there, columella, sporangiophore. In this sporangium, spores are produced which are non-motile and spread or go to the different destination by air current. Conidia is produced in the fungus. Remember this labeling. For yeast, this is conidiophore, then ramus, metuli, ram is called as ramus, metuli, sterigmata, and then these conidia. By these conidia, when they are going to detach from parent body, they will reproduce asexually. Then if we see about the sexual reproduction, it takes place by plasmogamy, origin of two protoplast, but nucleus is not going to fuse. Then karyogamy, where the nucleus is going to fuse, because karyo means nucleus and gamy means gamete or marriage, and meiosis is the reductional division. So in higher fungus, karyo is delayed and occur just before meiosis. In the stage intervening between the plasmogamy and karyogamy, the cell often contains the two nuclei, and these two nuclei, this is the single cell, this is also a single cell, here is the nucleus, here is the nucleus. When these two cells came together and going to fertilize, their cytoplasm, protoplasm is mixed, but nucleus is not mixed. Now these two cells become the one cell. Nucleus are as it is, cell is one, but nucleus are two. Such a condition is called as dikaryon or dikaryotic phase. That is N plus N. These are N, contain single set of chromosome. And this phase is dikaryo phase in higher fungi. Here the reproduction is given planogametic copulation. Copulation means fertilization. So isogamy means same size of gamete. Anisogamy means different size of gamete. And oogamy means when the female gamete is large, male gamete is small, and sperm is released at the egg of female. Then gametengial contact, oogonium is there, antheridium is male, and this gametengia is going to fertilize with this egg. Gametengial copulation means here the fertilization is going to take place. Then spermiatization, in which sperm is produced and it is delivered up to the ascogonium, up to the gamete of a female gamete, up to female gamete it is transferred. This is spermiatization. Receptive hyphae. Somatogamy, soma means body and gamy means fertilization. When the two cells, somatic cells, are going to fuse, then that is the somatogamy. Here one by one is given. Planitic copulation or gametic reproduction, which is simplest form of sexual reproduction. Here fusion of two gametes is going to take place. Important, because two gametes are going to fuse, it means there is a variation will be produced after fertilization. And formation of diploid zygote will take place. Example is given, and I told you what is iso, aniso, and oogamy. Then gametengial contact. In this process, two gametengia come in contact with one another. Fertilization tube developed and migration of entire content of male gametengium into the female gamete. Here it is shown. Here is the tube is shown. Antheridium is male. From male, the genes are supplied, transferred to the oogonium by means of a tube called as fertilization tube. And both gametengia never fuse. Remember this one. Here they are not going to fuse. This is important point. They are not going to fuse and together and losing their identities. Gametengial contact and gametengial copulation. Remember, where there is copulation, there is a mixing of gametes. But in case of this gametengial contact, here the copulation is not going to happen. Gametes are not going to fuse. They came together. Then gametengial copulation. Here is the direct fusion. Remember this one, where the fusion is going to happen and where it is not. In gametengial contact, we saw there is two nucleus are coming together, but they are not going to fuse. Here they are going to fuse in gametengial copulation, accompanied by the dissolution of their common walls, resulting in the formation of single cell. And there is not going to form the single cell. Cell will be single, but although the nucleus are not one, means two nucleus are not going to fuse, both are there, in which protoplast of two gametegia is fuse. Then spermatization. Fungi produce many minute spore-like single cell structure, spermatia. Spermatia, which is non-motile male gamete. This is, remember, these are non-motile, they don't have flagella. Or spermatophore hyphae, and these structure transferred through the by agencies like these structure transferred through the agencies like water, wind, insect, spatial female receptive hyphae, and content migrate toward the receptive structure. And here also dikaryotic condition is developed. Remember, here is dikaryotic condition. Before gametophysial copulation, gametophysial contact was there. There is also a dikaryotic condition. Here is not dikaryotic condition. Remember this one. Then somatogamy. In most of the higher fungi, formation of gamete is absent. Remember, in somatogamy, gamete is not going to form. And in such a fungi, direct fusion of somatic hyphae occur, and it will also establish dikaryotic phase. Example is Agaricus biosporus, full name. Then sexual reproduction, this I already described. You can read this one and you can get it. I bold letter are also here, fused, where gamete is going to fuse, where they are not going to fuse, where they are going to fuse. Remember this. Only here they are going to fuse. Where is dikaryotic and monokaryotic condition. Remember this one. Then important thing, classification of fungi. So they are classified on the basis of their morphology, reproductive structure, then types of spore and their life cycle. This kingdom is divided into the two division, Myxomycotina, and you already saw the classification. These are different colors. You can pause the video and you can see this all images. Then we are going to study one by one class. The first is Phycomycete. Phyco means algae and mycete means, I told you, body of fungus. So these are algae-like fungus which found in damp and moist places. These are aseptate cynocytic. Remember, Phycomycetes are lower member, so they are cynocytic. Means aseptate multinucleate equal to cynocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of zoospore, which I already described, or by aplanospore. These are non-motile. Zoospore is motile. Spores are endogenous, means they are formed inside the body of fungi. That is in sporangium. Sexual reproduction is gametophysial, multinucleated. Cynogametophysia containing multinucleated cynogamete, and it will produce the zygospore. Remember the example, or remember this word RAM or YAMAR, that is rhizopus, then albugo and mucor. Remember these three words. Much more, few more examples are I also added so that we can see in ahead, means next slides. This is mucor. Remember the structure, sporangium. From here they will reproduce. When the spores are produced, they are going to transfer by air, wind or insect current, and this will give rise to new body. Columella is supporting apophysis, is a stalk. Then sporangiophore, mycelium, this is body. Stolon, hyphae, rhizoids, this will support. Rhizopus, it is called as black bread mold. If you keep our bread, you know what is my bread. If we keep our bread in open place for 3 to 4 days and during rainy season, so after some time the black mold is going to develop, and that is nothing but the rhizopus. And mucor, mucido, is called dung mold or pin mold. Remember this name, extra information is given. These are common saprophytic fungi, attack foodstuff, soft rot, leak disease of strawberry, so on. Mucor puleus causes the infection of internal organ to human beings. Absidia corymbia causes bronchomycosis, means back to the bronchioles of lungs. Then ramycin antibiotic is obtained from mucor. Next group is ascomycetes. Asco means bag, hence they are called as sac fungi. If we see about these fungi, these are evolved as compared to phycomycetes. Each mycelium is uninucleate in case of ascomycetes, for example penicillin, or binucleated. Their cell wall contain the fungal cellulose or chitin. The flagella is totally absent. Asexual reproduction takes place with the help of conidia formation, especially in yeast. Exogenously means conidia is going to form exogenously from outer surface, and either they are branched or unbranched coniophore they are having, and conidia are brown, green, blue, yellow, different color, and provide color to the mycelium. Sexual spore is ascospore, which is produced endogenously, means inside the bag. Hence the name is given ascomycetes. Asco means bag, and these bag are arranged in a different type of fruiting body called as ascocarp. Remember this, ascocarp. Asco means sac, carp, carpel like female. Carpel is the unit of female sex organ. Carp means here fruiting body. Fruiting body is called as ascocarp. Then ascomycetes include the unicellular yeast, blue mold, pink mold, and parasitic fungi such as Irsifi, which causes powdery mildew, and Claviceps, which causes the ergot of eye. We will see some more examples are also there. This is the structure of yeast, which is unicellular, has two more strain, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Saccharomyces ellipsoides. This is how the budding is going to happen. This is the body, and from its outer surface bud is going to form. After nuclear division it will elongate. Here the constriction is going to produce, and two daughter cells are formed from parent cell. This transverse fission in yeast, and here is the formation of chain of buds. Ascomycetes, further information is given. We know these are septate, saprophytic, decomposer, parasitic, coprophilous. The septa of the central pore called as septal pores. Septal means in between these two partitions there are some pores are present. Like here I have the diagram, I will show you again. This is septum in between two cells. So here is the pore are present that are called as septal pores, and pore allow the communication between two cells. Like in the plant cell, when two plant cells are attached to each other, their junction is called as plasmodesmata. Plasma means liquid, desma means junction. Like that they have the septal pores. Cell wall contain the chitin. Structure do not occur, and majority of ascomycetes, some common asexual reproduction is through conidia. Remember this, and here examples are given. This is again dikaryotic condition is formed in them. Then once a cell become dikaryotic, it transfer the nucleus to other cell by Kreuzer method, means method of dikaryotization, means how the dikaryotic stage is going to form. Then some dikaryotic cell function as a ascus mother cell, which will give rise to produce the ascus, and ascus is the site of karyogamy and meiosis. 4 to 8 haploid meiospore named as ascospore are produced endogenously, means from inside, and in most of the cases half number of ascospore belong to one mating type, plus and minus, like male and female is given. Ascospore arranged linearly on neurospora and unorderly on yeast. Remember, examples are very important for ascomycetes. And here the fruiting body is given. Then this is important. What is not important, so that you can read that part I am going to skip, and rest of the all part which is very important I will take. I am taking. Remember this. Which are the edible fungi? Morels and truffles, these are edible fungi. These are fleshy, sponge-like and conical. Truffles are also edible. Then remember this example, it is so very important. Claviceps, which causes ergot of rye, causes ergot of bajra, and these are filled with sclerotia of fungus, and There is one chemically synthesized from this fungus, Claviceps purpurei. The name is ergotin. And ergotin, which causes the abortion if eaten unknowingly or by accident. And previously it was used for abortion. And one more thing is there. This means from ergot fungus, LSD drug is going to synthesize LSD. That is lysergic acid dimethylamide. LSD. Lysergic. Lysergic. Lysergic acid dimethylamide. Dimethylamide. Remember the name. This is very addictive drug which is synthesized by with the help of this fungus. Then Neurospora crassa. This is very important example. Neurospora crassa, because it is used for biochemical genetic work. As far as in plants is concerned, Neurospora crassa is used for genetic work. And in case of animal, Drosophila melanogaster is used, which is called as jackpot of gene. Drosophila melanogaster found on the banana is there. So there is one portion is open on the banana at the end. So some insects are wandering there. So these insects are nothing but the Drosophila. Then Irsipi, these cause powdery mildew. Then penicillin, important because antibiotic is going to synthesize penicillin, commercial antibiotic. From penicillin, notatum it is synthesized. Aspergillus is very important, it is found on the this part. Means after this leaf, this part is called as angle. Here also this fungus is found, and with the help of Aspergillus niger, remember the name niger. Niger means black and alba means white. With the help of this fungus, citric acid is going to synthesize, and this fungus is green smoky mold, which not only contaminate the laboratory culture but also the various food stuff. It will contaminate both as a lab as well as other food stuff. Hence it is called as weed of laboratory, and it is a source of dietase enzyme. And Aspergillus flavus, this is the different strain of this Aspergillus niger, is highly poisonous due to aflatoxin. This chemical is highly poisonous, this aflatoxin, and carcinogenic also there. This is carcinogenic. Then brewing industry, yeast is used for to make the bread and different liquor like beer, whiskey, brandy, gin, rum, vodka, or different liquors are there which are prepared with the help of this Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is beer or baker yeast, and Saccharomyces ellipsoides. Saccharomyces means sugar, myces means I told you. This is wine yeast. And gibberellin were discovered by extract of Gibberella fujikuri. This will you also studied in the plant growth and development. This is hormone gibberellin, plant growth promoter, which is growing on the rice. Bacon disease of rice. Bacon is foolish seedling. Some farmers of Japan found that means because of this fungal spore, when it fall on the rice crop, paddy crop, their height is gone to increase at a higher level. Their height is it was increasing tremendously. That's why they called them as foolish seedling disease. पागल के जैसा प्लांट बढ़ते गए. Then next, these are the diagrams of ascomycetes. This is penicillium. Then basidiomycetes, these are the higher fungi. We saw phycomycete, ascomycetes, now basidiomycetes. Phycomycete is lower fungi. As compared to phycomycete, ascomycete is evolved, and basidiomycete is higher fungi, most advanced fungi, most evolving fungi, most complex fungi. Basidium means club-shaped fungi. So most evolved, most complex, most advanced, and best decomposer of food, cause what they can do, bacteria can't do. One of the hardest component is lignin. If we take the coconut and if we break its upper part and put a molten iron melt at 1600 degree Celsius, very high temperature. So such a molten iron, even if you put in the coconut, inside the coconut, it won't break because of lignin, or barely it will break. But these fungi going to decompose that lignin also. So that's why these are most important. Fruiting body is large, easily visible. Mushroom, puffball, rust, smut, predaceous fungi do not produce fruiting body. Mycelium is branched, septate. Sexual reproduction is generally absent, but vegetative reproduction takes place by means of fragmentation. Sex organ absent, but plasmogamy is going to happen by two vegetative or somatic cells of different strain. And we saw the somatogamy takes place in the higher fungi, and these are higher fungi. And dikaryotic condition is formed, basidium, karyogamy, and meiosis also takes place to produce basidiospore. Basidospores are exogenously produced, and basidia are arranged in a fruiting body called as basidiocarp. Like in ascomycetes, ascocarp, here is basidiocarp. Example you can remember like this. This is B, means basidomycetes. We call Gandhiji as Bapu. So this is B, means basidomycetes. A stand for agaricus, P stand for pucnia, U stand for ustilago. That is agaricus, ustilago, and pucnia. Agaricus is mushroom, agaricus biosporus, ustilago is smut, and pucnia is fungus. Here is much more characters are given: mushroom, toadstool, fungi. I have figure also. I will show you in the next slide, upcoming slides. These are best decomposer of food. They are able to decompose both cellulose as well as lignin. Remember this one. They can decompose cellulose and lignin is not metabolized by most of the other fungi, even bacteria. That's why this fungus is highly evolved. And Ganoderma is a species cause decay of wood even on standing trees. Motile structure absent, mycelia primary or secondary. These are the two types. Primary mycelium is monokaryotic, while it is monokaryotic and as well as short-lived, while secondary mycelium is long-lived and show the dominant phase of life cycle. And monokaryotic phase, that is primary mycelium, multiply by oidea or conidia like spores called as pycanospore or pycanospore. Then secondary mycelium is long lived, that I already told you. Then septa possess a dolispore. What is by dolispore or central pore? I will show you in the next diagram. With barrel shaped outgrowth except rust and smut. And handle like outgrowth are found on the sides of septa. These septa are clamp like connection. You know clamp. With the help of we make our cloths to dry, we tie on a thread, tie on a cord. Here is the figure. This is their partition, septum. This is the partition, and here is the pore. This pore, parenthosome, septum. This is partition, septum, and this is the pore. That is junction between two cell. Means for transport of material, this junction is going to help. And clamp-like connection is formed here. See here. This is in dikaryotic hyphae. Two nucleus are there. See here. Two nucleus are there in one cell. That is dikaryotic condition. Then sexual reproduction does not involve sex organ. Fusion occur by basidocarp or other monokaryotic spores, and between spore or spermatium or hyphae and between two hyphal cell. Karyogamy and meiosis occur in the club-shaped structure known as basidia, and name of this class is named after this basidium, which are club-shaped. And basidium commonly produce the 4 meiospore or basidiospore exogenously at the tip of fine outgrowth called as sterigmata. We know this name, like in the east we saw conidophore, ramus, metuli, sterigmata, then conidia. And may produce a fructification called as basidocarp, which vary from microscopic form to the large microscopic structure, and some puff and bracket fungi are grown over 50 meter of size. Then these are the examples given. In short, we will review this. These are also important. Smut which is black color smut spore. This is covered or loose, and their masses remain within the membranous covering of sorus. Example is Ustilago, smut of barley, Ustilago medis, smut of corn, and different dishes are given. Remember this dishes. Mushroom is edible, some are non-edible. Non-edible mushroom is agaricals, which possess umbrella-like structure, and some are paddy straw mushroom. Name is given. Then toadstool. This is poisonous. This is non-edible, highly poisonous. Some fungi are that much poisonous we can't even touch to them. That much they are harmful, poisonous. Toadstool poisonous, generally have white spores and used in poisoning to the Roman Emperor Caesar. Remember this. Toadstool Amantia phalloides, called as death cup. I have the figure, I will show you. Then one more fungus is given, that is Gynomyta esculenta, called as heat labial carcinogenic toxin. Carcinogenic toxin means cancer causing toxin, but it is heat labial, means at temperature it is sensitive to temperature. Then rust means we know how the plant is going to rust. I will show in the figure. Here the examples are given. Hallucinogens are the drug. Daydream fantasy means after taking these kind of hallucinogen drugs, it will show the daydream fantasy. Hallucinating properties similar to LSD. I told you what is by LSD. Highly addictive drug. Lysergic acid dimethylamide. Armillaria is the largest fungi. Remember this one. Or honey mushroom. This is serious root parasite to hardwood and conifers, which belong to gymnosperm. This plant I am saying, conifers, these are gymnospermic. Fungi develop the rhizomorphs on the phloem of host and hence block the food supply. Puffball. These are stalked rounded structure which upon ripening release out the puff or spores, and the fructification may grow below the substratum. Bracket fungi, shell fungi. Fructification occur on the tree, and large locks lumbar just as brackets or shells. Hence the name was given, bracket or shell fungi. Then predator fungi, name is given. Then stinkhorn. Look like man's finger. There is one movie that what is the name of that movie? I forgot the name of that movie. The Caribbean, Pirates of Caribbean. We saw these so many humans, they have the long hairs and long nails, etc., and all time they are being there in ocean. Fungus is going to attack on their body. So if you remember the structure, they are long fingers. So this fungus, stinkhorn fungus, looks like that. Hence the name is given, dead man's finger. Here is the figure. Examples of this basidiomycetes. See, this is rusting. How the rust is going to affect to the normal part. This is death cup, toadstool. Here is the toadstool. Here is the earth star. Remember this example. Then deuteromycetes, fourth last class of fungi. Deuteromycetes means these are the imperfect fungi because sexual reproduction stage is not there. And if any member of this deuteromycete sexual reproduction state is found, they are putted back into the basidiomycetes or in the respective group and not reported, hence called as imperfecta. Some members are saprophyte, meaning I told you, are parasitic. Decomposer of litter, help in mineral cycling. Mycelium is septate, branched, asexual reproduction by means of conidia or conidiophore, and these conidiophore may occur in the isolated or aggregate to form the complex structure called as acervulus synnema. Synnema means united, nema means thread-like structure. Sporodochium, spore-like, and pycnidium, this what we saw already. Then conidiophore are free from each other and bear the conidia. Remember their example as ACT, Alternaria, Calectotrichum, and Trichoderma. These are credited include those fungi in which sexual stage is not known or absent. Mycelium, we already discussed, it is septate or branched. Cenocytic form is not known because these are beyond the basidomycetes, so there will not be a cytic stage. Asexual reproduction by conidia. Once a perfect sexual stage is attained, then these member means the member which are found with the sexual stage again put it back into the respective group, and we know their function. They are parasitic and help in mineral recycling. Here are the some diseases are given. Remember the name of this fungi and which diseases that they had caused, like leaf spot of rice. Helimantosporium oryza cause leaf spot disease of rice, commonly called as brown leaf spot rice, cause Bengal famine in 1942-43. Remember this word is, this fungus is important. Then early blight. Alternaria solani causes early blight of potato. Figure is there, I will show you the figure. The leaves develop a small oval brown spot with concentric rings. Target board symptoms: Ticca disease, circular necrotic dark brown or blackish leaf spot disease, develop in groundnut due to the Cercospora personata. Then red rot by Calectotrichum, which is a Deuteromycetes, produces a red rod of sugarcane. We saw several times, if you saw that when we cut the sugarcane, some red mark is there, red portion is there. That is because of this fungi. Then wilting. Economic important plant like cotton, pigeon pea show sudden sign of wilting due to the blockage of trachary element, and fusarium especially. Ringworm foot athletes means especially in rainy season when we are walking in the water for a long time, then in between this finger means this portion, at such a portion fungus will attack and cause such a disease, ringworm of foot or athlete foot, caused by trichophyton interdigitate means in between digit. Here name is given, remember these names also: Rhizopus, black mold, red mold, so on. Morels, which is edible, Saccharomyces, so on. This is important, Neurospora crassa. This is the classification. Phytophthora infestis cause blight of potato and occasionally of the tomato well, and Great Irish Famine. Remember this Irish Famine, and that one is Bengal Famine in 1942, and in 1845-1847 caused due to the late blight of potato. Albugo candida, white rust of crucifera characterized by appearance of irregular white blister on the leaves of stem and leaves. Then Pythium debranum causes damping of disease in seedling of tomato, chili, castor, mustard. Then Sclerospora graminicola causes downy mildew in cereals, particularly Penistemum typhoideus, bajra, green ear disease. Then Pernospora parasitica causes down mildew in number of plants, mustard, spinach, onion. Then Spiruligia causes the salmon disease of gills in fish. This is Phytophthora cause disease known as blight, and numerous result in conspicuous wilting and dying of affected parts. See, this one is potato, affected potato. This is late blight of potato, and here is the infection on leaf. White rust of crucifera caused by Albugo candida. Symptom of white rust on shepherd purse, which is a typical gymnospermic plant, shepherd purse. These are some fungus, and their slides are prepared in a lab, so you can see this one also. Fungicide. There are the different chemicals used to kill the fungi to save the plant from diseases, to protect the plant from diseases. and such a chemical are called as fungicide. Fungi means we know, and side means to kill. So this is very important Bordeaux mixture, which has copper sulfate, calcium hydroxide and water molecule. First fungicide discovered by RMA Mildart. This is called as holy water of plant kingdom. Means this chemical is mixed with the water and spread on the plant so that the plant cannot be get affected by diseases, especially fungal diseases. Hence this is called as holy water, pure water of plant kingdom. Then Burgundy mixture of copper sulfate, sodium bicarbonate and water discovered by Maas. And chestnut mixture, that is ammonium carbonate and copper sulfate. This is also fungicide.